activity of transportation in plants. Take 2 sticks of white rose and cut them each 45 degree with a scissor. Then take 2 containers filled each with 200 ml of water. I have taken 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 15 to 20 drops of food color, orange and red each. Now pour a teaspoon of sugar in one container. Add vinegar a teaspoon too. Now add your rose now. Put 15 to 20 drops of food color. As you can see, after 24 hours the flower changes color into orange, that you can see on its petal. Now it's looking more beautiful, and here it's changing into yellow. As you can see, on the third day the flower has almost changed its color. Red, yellow.